accessible apps for the blind. Dito ko final lahat. Kinompile ko lahat. So, let's see.
Home. Messages.
Let's
Wattpad.
find that folder.
Photos. Music downloader. Kismet. Photos. Folder. My games. 4i. Folder. Accessible apps.
Yeah, this is. So, pagbukas natin,
Gen's Art.
yan, ito ang lalabas na una. Gen Z Art. Dito is, magta-type ka ng gusto mong maging art or photo. Tapos, makikreate siya. So, try natin.
Application. Gen's Art. Application. Create art.
So,
Profile.
dito sa baba,
Profile.
mag-touch na lang
Profile.
tayo. Profile.
Create avatar. Create art. Story generation with voice. Home. Selected.
Yun yung nasa baba. Dito sa may... So, ang pipiliin mo dito is create art. Ito. Yan.
Profile.
Tapos,
Create art.
swipe right ka.
Real time. Enter prompt. Clear. Describe your art in as much detail as you like. Edit box. Add. Reply. Tool.
So, I said, balik tayo
Create
dun.
art. Profile.
Bigla.
Story. Create art. Selected.
Okay, naselect na natin yan.
High quality.
Swipe right tayo.
Real time. Enter prompt.
Yan.
Clear.
Clear.
Describe your art in as much detail as you like. Edit box.
So, dito nyo isusulat yung gusto nyong maging art. So, try natin.
Delete. Delete.
Lagay natin.
C. L. O. U. S. S. D. S. Clouds. A. N. D. N. A. A. U. I. C. Unico. R. N.
Yan. So, i-back lang natin. Tapos,
Home. Home. Home.
dito, di ba, home? Swipe left.
Generate.
Yan.
Art generation in progress.
Yan.
7.255. Progress. Modify pic.
Ayan, na-download na. So, ang pag na-download na, ang lalabas is ito.
Modify picture. Modify. Regenerate. Upscale icon. Upscale. Download icon. Download.
Ito yung pipilitin nyo para ma-save siya sa gallery nyo.
Dialogue. Image save.
Yan, na-save na. Okay nyo lang to.
Okay. Gen's Art.
So, balik
Home
tayo
screen
sa
2 of 3.
folder ko.
Home. Settings. Folder. SoSmith.
No,
Home,
hindi yan.
home screen. Google Discover.
No, hindi yan.
Home. Voice search. Button. Home. Settings. Play Store. Folder. SoSmith. Home screen 1 of. Home screen. Settings. Play. Folder. Accessible.
Yan.
Gen's Art. Goldwave.
Dito, gold wave, hindi yan.
PickyBot. Audiolab.
Ito yung mga apps ko na yan, pero hindi yan ang gagamitin natin.
As screen recorder.
Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. Itong record, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon na nagre-record ako.
Seeing AI.
Seeing AI.
Sullivan Plus.
Sullivan Plus.
Lookout.
Lookout.
CC.
CC.
Fruit.
So,
Pay folder. Photos.
punta tayo sa photos ko.
Application I. Album.
Tignan natin yung na-save na
All.
art kanina.
Item 1. Photo. November 21st, 20.
Ito.
Photo.
Tapos,
7. Ship. Favorite.
share.
Checked. Map. 1 item selected. 1 item. Map. Drive.
Napin natin yung medyo marami apps to.
W. Face. Met. Insta. CC. Seeing AI. Seeing AI.
Ito.
Application. A white. Navigate up. Feet. Seen a white horse with a colorful mane and horn. Share.
Oh, di ba?
Photo. Favorite. Share. 1. Messages. Photos. Message.
Hanapin natin yung iba kong pang-describe
Instagram,
na
CC.
image recognition apps.
Picky. TikTok.
Ito din. Ito,
Pikibot.
Pikibot.
Pick. Permission.
Medyo matagal dito eh. Pero yung si AI mabilis.
This image is a white unicorn standing outdoors in a field with gently rolling hills and a cloudy sky in the background.
Media.
The unicorn has a golden horn on its forehead and a flowing mane that is gracefully multicolored with shades of pastel pink, blue, and purple. The unicorn is facing to the left, with its head slightly turned, giving a majestic and serene appearance. The atmosphere of the scene feels calm and magical, capturing the mythical essence of the unicorn against the natural landscape. The overall mood is one of peace and enchantment.
Oh, diba?
Photo. Share. Check.
Try nating hanapin yung ibang image recognition.
Instagram. TikTok.
Wait lang. Nag-silent tayong Prudence screen reader. Wait.
Back. Button.
Yun.
One item selected. One item select. Cancel. X direct. Sullivan Plus. X.
Yeah, ito. Sullivan Plus.
Application. Image description. A white unicorn with rainbow-colored mane stands in a field. Face recognition. No.
Okay. So, yun yung mga recognition apps na natutunan ko sa mga co-blind na nagtuturo din sa YouTube o meron din sa TikTok. Especially sa blind community ko natututunan tong mga to. So, sana may natutunan kayo kahit hindi ako magaling mag-explain. At least narinig nyo naman. Thank you!
Silent. Tools.